What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and today we have another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Ondibu Hair, for sending me these 3 bundles in a lace frontal. This is their straight hair, and the hair is really thick and silky, so I'm really excited to use it. Of course, my girl Ashley made it into a handmade wig. I'm gonna make sure I put all Ashley's information and her YouTube channel below, so make sure y'all go subscribe today. So today you guys are in for a real treat. This style is going to be really cute. We're incorporating some braids and some curls. And if you guys know any stylists that would appreciate my videos and want to learn how to do frontals, please like, subscribe, and share my videos to these girls, because I want to reach out to all the hairstylists in the world that need my videos. You know, I'm at a lot of subscribers right now, and I appreciate all you guys so much, but we can always spread the word and grow this empire. So I appreciate y'all so much.
I cut my hair, I fucked my hair up.
Yeah.
I was like,
as does everyone.
I know, I feel like I was just like, I'm just so not hair knowledgeable, and it was more so like I was just letting people do my hair. And it was this one girl, she was in the shop with me, and I was like, cool, you could do my hair or whatever. So she was doing it for like 6 months, because we were in the same little sweep situation. Literally, she started like, I guess, I don't know what she used to do. She claimed she went to school. She said she was a master cosmetologist. I looked into it. I was like, cool, whatever. So she was doing my natural hair, which is the thing that fucked me up. Like, it's cool if you do the other stuff with my natural hair. And then she gave me a bald spot. And then I have a little small bald spot right there.
How though? Like,
I don't know, like from pulling, I don't know what it was from. Like, I don't know, it's the way she sewed. Like, I don't know.
Oh,
I was like, I'm assuming, I don't know. To this day, I don't know. And I literally was like, I have a whole bald spot. And then she just was like, well, I'm a master cosmetologist. And I was like, well, grow it back then. Like,
whew, honey. Now, I'm glad that I can say a stylist never ripped out my edges or gave me a bald spot, because, honey, it would have been on and popping. Now, I have ripped out my own edges, like once or twice, but my story is so backwards. Like, I literally tried to protect my edges. Like, a long time ago, when I used to put my frontals on, I used to glob this stuff called Morning Glory all over my edges, like 2 inches back, thinking that it was protecting my edges. But when I washed the Morning Glory out, my edges would come out right with it. And I did it twice because I thought it was a glue. I didn't know it was the Morning Glory. But honey, I found out that it was that stuff. And listen, I was traumatized, okay? All right, so we are halfway through. No baby hair, no style yet, but the hair is really flowy and soft. And honey, this hair is moving, okay? Stiff wear. Where is that? So one thing I learned doing hair is, like, in the beginning, I used to like really structured hairstyles and structured curls, but later I realized I really like loose curls. So nowadays I will comb the curls completely out with a wide tooth comb and even go back with a paddle brush and make the curls even softer. So yeah. Alright, so before I finish brushing out the hair, I'm going to use my flyaway tamer from galaxygirlhair.com and then brush it through. So the flyaway tamer is basically a wax stick that lays down any cowlicks or flyaways, and I'm using this right now instead of spritz because spritz can kind of get a little flaky, a little white and crusty, and the wax doesn't really do that at all. So you guys, as you can see, the paddle brush kind of made the curls a lot softer, and it kind of moves as one now instead of like a bunch of different curls. But you know, it's just a different look, so it's up to you. Once again, thank you so much, Ondibu, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to know exactly where to get this hair, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.